Acholi. Acholi long with it. Can you better than Acholi Mike and Amatiakan? We never can. It is about you people. Acholi Bero Kaha. Amenue Tunkumalame Uganda. Acholi Bero Jamaican what? They are blessed. You know, Choloma can't yaha. Tinga Hami wing egg in a jail. Ni won't you jam blessed. I don't know if by God, if by nature, I don't know. But all I can say, you people are blessed. To be honest, you are blessed. Some of you even don't know this. You people are blessed, for sure. Chori kwenda ginberi yetu malumani Uganda cha. Itoro ye ni tungu malumani Uganda, uchori kikena yetike lo puda ditala Uganda lor. Loba acholi purbo loba adit puda la Uganda lor. They've been followed by Baganda region. They've been followed the other side by Karamajong. And when you look at Kwome Laulo Miamumachako Jotam Waye Wiamokani, you would say any target to Nutie. Again, no more John Chaho por central Buganda can to Yokin Love Canova. Toward Guinea, Yacholi, kind of when and map Uganda. You know, you are the people with the biggest land in Uganda. Second, the only land I'm taking more. It took my Uganda, but Acholi can. Maybe followed by some part of Yellow Mountain can or on the party I'm taking with Yamagan. The reason Arangel. Usually kere more to read that put Utamon Hakari Daki Hachelme Mako. Poti Duchiore. Duachaning or Makobini, that is how blessed is usually. You people are blessed. But some of you don't know. And the more, by the way. And kind of way, no job will okay love. Dunga lava joe, Jodaho, Yamor. Johnny Power, just a braff. John War, by the time my Jachak project, my mom, Nungindo to settling in Dohokunu. I mean, you know, children can Americano. Men who pay me how blessed you people are. You will be gone. Thirdly, Loba Choli, ikin loba metungu malme Uganda, purbo loba pun miu dongala. I happen to hear some of my friends, my way hagila ankacha, winya kone ala work on waya work ya Choli, yo worry poor kunu. Langi kum monumanga, petty lama dami to PM yakan. For a langi dushu, okay, some parts of Lao, when she can go to taking you chola to poor kunu, which is good and well. But you people are blessed. Rekagi can't get video ni. I mean, you video when about Kuchuoli Ken. Then it no made in 10 years come John a bear. Lifestyle Johnny. Nor Johnny. What do they love? Are they educated? Do they live their life together or even they are somehow scattered? Winjonkan. Actually, na machel ginachuoli malo. Ubedo tekwar mere. Peti acholi mo eken yinu kanoro eken. Mepe ma tekwar mere. And the tekwar kono there is what they call dance. Miel kelo Johnny Karachel. Where kelo Johnny Karachel. Teka peme tukutu. Acholi nguruyom chunye ni bay miel. Acholi nguruyom chunye ni bay where. Acholi kwano gini. Eka acholi bedo kahame bedo kanoro eken. You can find Acholi in Sudan. You can find Acholi in Kenya. Tonong in Uganda. Tonong even na America kucha. Jono beru jame work and they can fit anywhere. Pero apparently we are not, or we are far from home, no? And the worst, these people they forget about home. I don't know why. I told them about PM can. But for the Cholameti abroad, they don't want to see even behind. When you record, they don't want to see back. Being in Itia, when you're back, can I any teacher? Pedo mirunga yung that in Epashakan. Actually, Quano Guinea, Burgin Joa Quana Pemetuku. The professor more kindly, Gangalatigo, and yet you're handling case, Lara Loba Matia Chuli Chani. Joaquano. Sometime back, we happened to be with the Dr. Luquia. He was a very good doctor from North there. There are very many professors. So they come kwano. But there was already a problem with them. Kao kwano gini they disappear. Pero ye gini bedo in Karachiel. But gina me kum polo kala mange kuma chori nge wer. Adora chalo actually kao makigina maloni wer me mar. Ha. Actually wer mar me yide koni ya. Really, these people they know what they are doing. Johnny mar wer mara. Dan kero chunye du katia wer mara. Selecting word after word. Temi inya de koni ya. I think this guy knows what he's doing. Johnny, that is what they love most. Miel kame ra chuli ngio ra ya. Johnny chamo ra we ha peti ka ma put ba ra lo tu ma lo chuli. You'll agree with me or not? Langi ba ra ta ni mo nyuni kar ma wor you chuli. Atene no ngomo lu ni ra. These are the people me dano ya we ha turo ko wi ha chiela lo woro bangora. Jo wore miel. Jo yiho like a gore. To miel wi ha chiela lo me po do pa. But ya chamu chede cha chiem tia buru. So when it comes to Bangora, these people, they are ahead of us. Kai Bangora, they happen to be with this saying, "Nidi hipar pira kene." Inyo dara metuni po ne ko nidi hipar pira kene. Numi ringeni free. So that is the less I can tell you about Jori. We had to work the video rio.